Hi friends, let us make some do-it-yourself craft works and we will demonstrate how to do that. Take a circular shaped paper and make it a semicircle, draw some dotted designs on that. Similar things are made again and again. Now we can draw some green lines which will look like stems of tree or small shrubs. Small decorations, designs also can be drawn on it. Then black color is taken and it is drawn like a ladybird beetle, and the previously made paper, which is in the shape of a semicircle, is pasted onto it, which will look like the wings of the ladybird. So these beetles are trying to eat these small shrubs. Yeah. And we can draw some lines which will illustrate that they are flying. Easy trick. Next, take a black colored background, and for that we have taken a black card paper, and on that we have drawn white lines, and small dots are also added at the end of those white lines, and this is also a beautiful flower. Okay, and the central portion can be drawn with yellow color, then the stems can be drawn with red color, green leaves can also be added to it. This is very good. Now what I'm going to do next is small white dots have to be made on that paper. For that I take that paint brush and drip some small paint droplets onto it. That's it. And the next item I have taken the cover which we get while we buy some fruits, that spongy cover. Green leaves can also be added to it. This is very good. And with it I have made a flower. This is also that cover which we get with the electronic equipments for safety of that, with bubbles on it. Using that I painted it, and now I got a hot air balloon. We can fly to the sky, so let's enjoy this. Thank you.